omukoro go kwinguza abaherezo kutendeka okukunda ihanga ryabo gwayetabwamo amashomero 3 agarimo Tropical SS, Rwentojo SS hamwe na Rutoma Secondary kandi gwatandika na RDC ari kurambura enyiriri.
Nicho mwahurana bagambira urushwahira ntwenda ngo abana aba bakura imirimo baza Tanzania batunga umurimo baza Kenya batunga umurimo because they will be having a common language like Swahili, and incidentally we have also the same curriculum on education.
Warrant Officer 1 Mugiraneza Martin abire nakuru kutendeka amashomero ashoborira bwenci abegine batendekwa okukunda ihanga ryabo.
They don't know why the country is peaceful.
Hello.
We need to keep on informing our students that this country is peaceful because of patriotism, because of Pan-Africanism, because of socio-economic transformation, and because of democracy.
Let's take a flashback when Uganda was hit by a deadly coronavirus. During that time, we witnessed many patriots who helped the country. Take an example, those who donated funds and food, and doctors who risked their lives treating corona victims.
Abashomesa basimire UPDF abo kweyayo kutendeka beji babo.
Benara disisebu na kweshengeza okay ba head teachers ndamukamba shabi mukumemte maka sente ka patriotism mu budget Madam Hope kubaragirete pasiti nima ba members ba board muja approving mbanze mbuze is there patriotism in the what in the budget
bari kundi ihanga ryabo bakunda n'ishomero ryabo bari kuma ibyo kwatagurama ibirakuri ibyo kutera abashomesa ibyo nibo batace bikora.
So mugumize nimwe bana mwe mukundane. This world is very small, you don't know where you're going to meet one another.
Okutendeka bejaba kumazire sandemwe abwa TV West the Evans Taremwa AGACENCWIRE.